Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Ayla, Avar, and Dory's Dollies, you'll see their links in my title, we are doing a little, what would we call this? A little Viking girl collab. They have Viking names. Mine is Tovey, and you'll have to go to their channels to get their names. We each did a custom on a little ice blue or winter blue hair-colored Blythe doll, and I'll show you mine before I get her dressed. The idea is, here's her little face up. I do want to show you her beads. Let me pull those around. Now, Tovey was going to have a still can't remember what they're called, a little Viking dress and a sword and, well, let me pull these out. These and her Viking braided hair, but I had an injury and I can't do that kind of intricate work right now. Oh, I was going to show you her beads. I did ice blue and crystal like ice colored beads with her. I hung a charm in front of each one of the rings. Darren makes these rings. I just love them. They're 3D printed. So are her shoes, headband, and he made the stands with their names on them. This is supposed to be ice blue and snow. She is so cute. The idea today is to show you two different sets of a hat and scarf, and you say which one in my comments, in everyone's comments on their own channel. This isn't across the board, it's just on the one channel. Tell which one is your favorite. Let me get her ready. Here is Tovey's first look, and I crocheted this, just kind of did it. It's like a rainbow kiss, you know, like the candy, a kiss, kisses. And she has the matching scarf in her hands, and that is her first look. And remember, you're judging just my two hats on this channel, and then you'll go to the other channels and judge their two hats and scarves. Which one is your favorite? Oh wait, she was supposed to change shoes. Okay, quick look with pink shoes. I just wanted a pop of color. I forgot to show you her eyes. These are my favorite. So a little harder to do. Just the typical blue that she came with. And then I added these. I think that's adorable. Very, very cute. And then I always do a rainbow. I like the little pastel rainbows. But these are my favorite. That soft gray blue. And here she is in her little beret that I can't get to lay right. There we go, there we go. This is her little rainbow speckled beret. I made this pattern, and I like it better than the pattern that I had. The pattern that I had did not really fit the head, although and I had it laying just right, but of course, you know, for the camera, it's not going to go. And here's her little matching fleece scarf that I cut fringe on. And there she is. And Darren, you were going to say?
Well, the beret came after the Vikings invaded Francia. So
yeah,
that,
let's show the back.
Picked up that style, I'm sure.
So there is my little Tovey. I want to thank Ayla and Dory for this fun collab. I really like, I have to get after this hair, but right now I can't. Really fun little collab. I do want to make her, what are they called? Tunic? I can't remember what they're called, the little Viking dresses. This was just fun. I do like her. It's not my best face up one-handed, but I do like her. Cute little girl.
I think it's adorable.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Go by Dory and Ayla's channel and vote on their little hats and scarves that we made for our little custom dolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
I think I'm going to vote too, but I'm not going to tell you.
You're going to put it in my comments? Cute.